Hi guys, I'm going to start a new series on this channel which says 2 favorite and 1 hate series, in which I'm going to review 2 favorite products of mine and one which I hated the most or I didn't like it. In this video, I'm going to talk about face washes. First one is this face wash from Mamaearth. This is tea tree face wash specially for acne and pimple, and this is my absolute face wash because it does what it claims, and it's been 6 months since I'm using it. It helped me a lot to make my skin better. I just love this face wash. Second one is this Cetaphil gentle skin cleanser. It also claims that it can be used as face wash as well as body wash. This is very moisturizing, and when you cleanse your face, after that it gives a moisturizing effect. This is very mild and moisturizing, and it gives a butter soft skin after cleansing. This is also my favorite face wash. And the face wash which I'm not a very big fan of is this Ubtan foaming face wash. I didn't find it very useful because it doesn't did great on my skin. This has this silicone brush which is good, but this is not recommended to use for your active pimple. This is not my favorite. That is it. Bye bye.